Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to cut and trim video in Lightworks. To trim clips, hover over to the end of clip to see bracket and trim of end by dragging it to the left. Hold down the Ctrl key when doing this to avoid automatic shifting. Hover over the beginning of clip, hold down the Ctrl key and drag it to the right to trim off the beginning. To deleting clips, move the playhead to start of unwanted part of clip. Press the C key to make first cut. Move the playhead to the end of unwanted part. Press the C key again to make second cut. Select the unwanted portion and press the delete key. Alternatively, you can press X key to delete the selected portion and close the gap automatically. If you want trimming clips before and after cut, trim off the end of clip right before a cut. Position the cursor over the end and drag to the left. To trim off beginning of clip after cut, position the cursor over the beginning and drag it to the left. Holding down the Ctrl key allows trimming without automatic shifting. To overwrite clips, dragging cut when there are two brackets will trim the clip while overwriting it with previous one. And that will be it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.